What's up, everyone? It's your boy, Jimmy. We're about to get seriously delicious in here today. We're transforming leftover jam into mind-blowing desserts. We're talking taste bud explosions, sugar rushes, the whole shebang. If you're ready to become a kitchen magician, smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome food hacks. All right, first up, we're hitting you with the classic jam thumbprint cookies. We're gonna need 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of softened butter, gotta love that butter, half a cup of sugar, sweetness overload, 1 egg, a teaspoon of vanilla extract for that extra oomph, and of course your leftover jam, any flavor you got. Mix it all up, roll it into balls, and press that thumb in there to make a little jam well. We're baking these bad boys at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes. Keep an eye on them. Golden brown equals cookie time. Okay, time to step up our game with some jam-filled crepes. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. For the crepes, whisk together 1 cup of flour, 2 eggs, half a cup of milk, a 1/4 cup of water, and a pinch of salt. Heat up a lightly oiled pan and pour in about a 1/4 cup of batter for each crepe. Swirl it around to get that thin, beautiful crepe. Now the fun part, spread your favorite jam on 1/2 of the crepe, fold it in half, then in half again, and boom! You got yourself a fancy-looking, super tasty dessert. Get ready for some next-level deliciousness with this jam swirl cheesecake. We'll start with a graham cracker crust, then mix up 32 ounces of cream cheese, 2 cups of sugar, 4 eggs, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Pour that creamy goodness over the crust and get ready for the magic touch dollop spoonfuls of your leftover jam on top and swirl it around with a toothpick. Bake this masterpiece at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius for 50 to 60 minutes. Let it cool completely before devouring, if you can resist. Chapter 4. Jam Glazed Donuts. It's donut time! It's donut time, baby! We're going all out with these jam-glazed donuts. Grab your favorite store-bought donuts, or if you're feeling ambitious, make your own. Warm up your leftover jam in a saucepan until it's nice and runny. Dip those donuts in the warm jam, coating them evenly. Sprinkle on some powdered sugar for that extra touch of sweetness, and prepare for pure donut bliss. Chapter 5. Jam Parfait. Layers of deliciousness. Let's get fancy with a jam parfait. Grab your favorite parfait glass and start layering yogurt, granola, and of course, your leftover jam. Repeat the layers until your glass is full. You can even add fresh fruit, whipped cream, or chopped nuts for that extra wow factor. This is a dessert that looks as good as it tastes. Chapter 6. Jam Tart. It's tart-astic. All right, guys, buckle up for this jam tart. It's about to get tart-tastic up in here. We're gonna combine some flour, butter, sugar, and a pinch of salt to make a simple crust. Press it into your tart pan and blind bake it for about 15 minutes. While it's baking, let's warm up that leftover jam with a squeeze of lemon juice. Once the crust is cooled, pour in that jammy goodness and let it set. Boom! You just created a dessert masterpiece that's both tart and totally awesome. Outrow, you just became a dessert master. There you have it, folks. 6 incredible ways to use up that leftover jam and satisfy your sweet tooth. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you're feeling extra adventurous, try out some crazy jam combinations. Maybe peanut butter and jelly jam donuts? The possibilities are endless. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome food ideas and give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to become a dessert master.